Hello, everyone. It's Charlton. Please subscribe to my channel. Tap the notification bell. Like this video. That helps me to keep making videos. I'd appreciate it majorly. Here's the fucking story, dude. It's not an interesting story. It's not. Trump suggested nuking hurricanes to, stop them from hitting the United States. This is over at Axios. They broke the story. He suggested it a couple times, and I just hate to disappoint you, but it's not that great of a story, obviously. I don't know, dude. But but it'll probably get views, so I'm doing it. So that's it. Big whoop. And apparently he's suggested this a couple times. People part of the National Security Council, Homeland Security. In one briefing, he reportedly said, "I got it, I got it. Why don't we nuke them?" According to one source, and the people in the room were after the meeting said things like, "What the f? What do we do with this?" And reportedly he suggested dropping a nuke right in the middle of the eye of the hurricane, early in its cycle, so to stop it from getting to the U.S. coast, because hurricanes do billions of dollars of damage, and if you can stop it out at sea, hundreds, thousands of miles away from the United States, you probably save a ton of money. That's his thinking, and supposedly other administrations, not Einstein, Eisenhower, had considered the same thing. And that's the story there. That's the story there. Big whoop. Like I said, it's really not that interesting of a story, but I know that they were going to talk about this a ton tomorrow, so, it'll get me some views, and that's it, dude. That is it. Alright, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like down below. See you in the next video. Later, man.